In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize an image in Squarespace. Whether you're looking to make a picture fit better into your website's design or refine its appearance for a polished look, resizing images is an essential skill. So let's get started and walk through the process step by step. First and foremost, open your Squarespace website editor. You'll need to sign into your Squarespace account and navigate to the dashboard. From there, access your pages and select the specific page where the image you want to resize is located. It's crucial to know where your images are to make the process efficient and straightforward. Once you're in the website editor and have located the page with your image, pinpoint the specific image you wish to modify. This step is about deciding which image needs adjustment and ensuring it's the correct one you want to work on. Having a clear plan for which images to resize will make the task easier and avoid unnecessary complications later on. Now that you've chosen your image, it's time to resize it. In Squarespace, you'll notice small squares, often referred to as handles, appear on the image's border. These squares enable you to resize your image. Click and drag on any of these corners gently. As you drag, you'll see the dimensions of the image change. Make sure to maintain the image's aspect ratio unless you want to distort it for a specific reason. Resizing the image this way ensures that it fits perfectly into the layout of your web page, maintaining its visual quality and appeal. After you've adjusted the image to your desired dimensions, it's essential not to forget to save your changes. Look for a Save option in the editor. It's usually at the top or bottom of the screen. By clicking Save, you ensure that the changes you've made are applied and visible on your live website. Skipping this step could mean having to redo all your hard work, so it's a good habit to develop as you work through any web design process. With the image resized and the changes saved, take a moment to preview your site to ensure everything looks perfect. This final check allows you to see how the resized image fits into the overall design and make any further adjustments if necessary. Resizing images in Squarespace can greatly enhance the aesthetic and functional quality of your website, making it more engaging and professional. And that's it, a simple way to resize an image in Squarespace. With these easy-to-follow steps, you can optimize images on your site, improving its overall look and feel. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.